Sir.
Hi, Chandana.
Happy evening, Chandana. Happy evening, Yamini. Happy evening, Gayatri. Hi, Soumya.
Happy evening, na.
Happy evening. I think Soumya has joined actually. So you're all ready with the registry?
Happy evening, ma'am.
Happy evening, Sonia ma'am.
Happy evening, ma'am.
Hi all. Happy evening.
Happy evening, Soumya.
Happy evening, Mani. Just give me a minute. Okay. We are waiting for somebody else. Yamini, Gayatri, Chandana. We still have one more member, or is it 5 members only? Are we waiting for someone, or is everybody in the session?
Ma'am, I think everyone is there now.
Okay. Yeah. So today, who will be sharing the screen?
Ma'am, can I?
Who did not get the chance to share?
I haven't,
Chandana,
ma'am.
you,
Yeah, I
you're
haven't.
good to share your screen.
Yeah, ma'am, I'll try.
Okay.
Ma'am, meanwhile, shall I recap what happened in previous class?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yesterday, we learned how to add bullet points and write sentences with it, and insert a table and editing, adjusting the rows and columns of a table.
Okay.
And also writing some headings, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I'm just seeing what other details we are supposed to add. You already shared. You already shared. Am I not able to see? Or
You
is
are,
it still
you asked
loading?
me, ma'am. You asked me.
Yeah. Yeah.
No,
Yeah,
actually,
yeah,
only the host can share, right, ma'am? Anyone can share, is it?
Then I think Mani, you have to give some permissions for her to share.
It's
Ma'am, it's enabled, ma'am, sharing.
yeah, I'll try.
Okay, yeah.
It has come, ma'am? No.
It's loading. Yeah, it's loading.
Ma'am, it's taking too much of time. I think someone else can share, ma'am. Yeah.
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay.
Yeah, okay.
That's okay.
Can I share the screen, ma'am?
First. Did you click on? Sorry, what did someone said something?
I think Gayatri ma'am asked whether she can share the screen, I think, ma'am.
She did not get the chance, Gayatri. So I want her to share.
Okay, okay.
Are you able to see, ma'am, or still loading?
I'm able to
Still
see
it's
your
loading,
screen, which says it's loading. Can you
Yeah.
stop broadcasting and do broadcast again? Yeah. In the meantime, everybody in the group just wanted to ask, have some volunteering experience? Assisting someone in school or anything that you can add to your resume? If it is yes, say your name and say you have that experience. Okay. I'm just seeing what are the pointers we can keep in the biodata.
Lavanya ma'am, the other day I was asking, right, when we were writing the date, 12 followed by TH, I asked whether it can go up, right?
Yeah.
There is an option,
There is
ma'am.
one option.
Yeah,
To
T
the top
squared is there.
TH, right?
Yeah.
Correct. I saw that option is not available in my this thing, but when someone is sharing the screen, I saw that option.
Yeah, ma'am. Today I tried because yesterday Mani sir was asking us to explore, right? So I was just going through the app. Then I saw that when we put T squared, that TH is going up. Whatever we select, it is going up or
It
down.
is going up.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it still taking
It's not
time?
coming, man. Yeah.
Okay, then tomorrow be prepared for the session so that we will share it. Try broadcasting and try sharing it with someone.
Okay, ma'am.
The floor is open. Whoever will share first, the screen will be seen. Anyone can share the screen.
Ma'am, shall I?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Right, the heading as, see, now yesterday we have prepared one first chunk of list of what is that? Focused, what did Mani say? I forgot.
Focused areas.
Focused areas, yeah. Focused areas, and we have prepared the profile, educational profile. Okay. Today, just write heading as hobbies. Everybody is supposed to do it in their WPS apps. Okay. So by default, this hobby should be of which format, Chandana?
To heading 2, ma'am.
Correct. Okay. Write some very good hobbies, though you have that hobbies or not. First, write what real hobbies you have, and next, write what hobbies you would like to have. Though you don't know how to
Okay,
do it,
ma'am.
just write it. Suppose say you
Okay,
don't know
ma'am.
cooking, but you like to cook, just write cooking. I want
Okay,
a list
ma'am.
of 4 hobbies. Everybody is also writing, I hope.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Great.
Yeah, ma'am. Done.
Okay. Others in the group also completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The
Ma'am,
next heading is
actually, yesterday I was trying to do in the WPS app. I'm
Mhm.
not able to follow here. So today I'll take a note and I'll do it after and send it, ma'am.
No, you don't have to send it to me. No, everybody in the group don't send it to me. I want you to complete it, and I want you to enhance whatever you have written. It has to
Okay,
be
ma'am.
very refined.
Okay,
Suppose if you guys write it as a coordinator, uh, it is actually, it says strength, but you can put it in a very refined way. Okay, like a very good team player or a team leader.
the
So I
phrasing should
want
be
your
refined.
skills or whatever we are making now, it should be very refined. That's the reason the phrasing should be very refined. The ultimate one, what you share it to in this WhatsApp group, it has to be like a first class one that you should be ready to share when someone wants it. So I wanted it to be like that. Whenever you get time, try to explore the options and also try to explore the other synonyms where you can put it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. And one more question here to Chandana. So did you use the same bullet point yesterday also?
No, ma'am. Yesterday I used arrow marks.
So I'm okay if you're trying now, but whenever we keep this hobbies, when we cut and copy paste this hobbies inside your resume, it is good if all the bullet points are same. Okay. Now if you
Yeah,
write
ma'am.
it, okay, but whenever you you got it right. Everybody else also are in line with what I told now.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay. Next one, achievements.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
So the other 4 members also completed writing hobbies in your WPS app.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Please. 2 people said yes. Can you please tell your names?
Yes, ma'am. Gayatri,
Gayatri
ma'am, and
finished,
Lavanya,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Vaishnavi,
Gayatri and
Me, Lavanya.
okay. So Gayatri, Lavanya, Vaishnavi, Yamini, 4 of them completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Now achievements. So you know what to put inside achievements? Like I got a first prize in painting. Whatever you have achieved as part of your skills or academics, you can put here. And again, it has to be very refined. Now, whatever you write, it's okay. But I want the ultimate copy that you share to be very refined. It has to be bullet points, ma.
Yeah, ma'am. I forgot to keep it. Actually, I disabled it to write achievements.
You can write here, received first prize. In Bhagavad Gita, can you show me the complete sentence? In reciting Bhagavad Gita, or what is that? So, all these slokas, you can tell them without seeing and all, or with seeing only?
I can tell with seeing, ma'am, without any mistakes. I can read it.
Okay, this Sanskrit version?
No, ma'am,
The
it's in
Sanskrit.
Telugu. I will use that more.
Okay. Okay. So correct that got to received.
Yeah, ma'am.
And you can bold the first prize, and first F should be caps. Okay. After this, I will ask someone else to share your screen.
First prize, ma'am.
Yeah. First prize. You can make it as bold. If someone has already completed, just let me know. F should be capital, no?
Ma'am?
Later, F should be capital for first prize. Yeah, no worries. And what else I wanted to put? Yeah. If anyone has, sorry, what did someone say?
I remember these only, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, great. Now, since we have complete achievements, can I have someone else to share the screen?
Should I stop, ma'am?
Yeah, please. Thank you. The next one heading is like declaration. Someone can share the screen, Gayatri or Lavanya, since Yami is not able to do it. Are you guys in the call?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can I
Gayatri, ma'am?
share? Who is sharing?
Lavanya,
Yeah,
ma'am, you
yeah,
can
sharing
share, ma'am.
screen,
Yeah, you can share.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, can I share the screen, ma'am?
Yeah, you can.
Gayatri.
Lavanya is already sharing.
Yes, is it visible?
Yes, it's visible. Now write the heading as declaration. So everybody know the importance of declaration? Why do we write declaration?
Maybe to confirm whatever we wrote is true.
Correct. So we will just, when we give a resume or biodata to someone, we'll just write a declaration at the end saying that, sorry. So we write that I declare that the above information is correct up to my knowledge. So you can write, I hereby declare that above information is correct to the best of my knowledge? Okay. Now, usually the declaration will be at the last of your resume. Okay. After declaration, you will have a place and date. It has to be normal. It need not be any of the heading formats. Place, you should just mention your place and date. Usually this declaration, place and date will be at the last of the resume. Okay, now what I want you guys to do is, I want all these headings to be highlighted. It should be within a text box. Okay, it has to be surrounded by a text box at the top. This hobby should come inside a text box, and at the same time the text box should be towards, it should be, others can go on mute please. It should come inside the text box. Yes, and that text box should be the text box should be there for hobbies, achievements, declaration, and all. I can share you the example in the group. The one I found out. I have shared in the literary group. So you see objective, current employment, educational details, and all. So all those have a text box. First, let me know. You can go and have a look in the meantime if you want, Lavanya. So first, let me know, can we achieve that or not? Others in the group. So this is how I want objectives, current, whatever headings we give should come like this. The color might be same or different. We'll choose one color, maybe it is gray. Okay.
This can be
This will be-
highlighted only, no?
Sorry.
Can I insert this text box here for hobbies?
Yes, you can try. Everybody has to try. Is everybody on the same page? They got what we are supposed to do. So this is just to test if we got to know or if we understood the feature of inserting a text box or not. First insert a text box, then we need to write or copy paste this hobbies inside that. Go to insert. Yeah, you got a text box. So just push the text box up, drag it up. Yeah. So make it one size. Yeah. Yeah. Great. Yeah. Decrease more. Just decrease the length and breadth. You can increase the breadth and increase the length. It has to be towards complete screen. It should be like a margin. Yeah. Yeah. More. More. Yeah. And
Ma'am,
decrease the
should we
length
again
now.
change the text to heading 2?
Now what I am planning is, now copy this, whatever hobbies is there, copy that and paste it there. Okay. Select.
Ma'am, I did the same thing, but I'm asking that should we again change it to heading 2, which is written in the text box?
Yeah, it has to be heading to. Were you able to do it? You will be able to do. Yeah.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
select it to align left. Select that and go to, yeah. Great, good job. This is how we will be able to use the features, whatever is there. Okay. Now you have format printer, right? Great. You have format printer, right? Just select hobbies. Do format printer option will not come for you also?
Yes.
Yeah,
Format painter.
it has to be printed. Okay, select. We'll see how it goes. I think both have to be same. Okay. Copy format. Okay. Now go back. Go to the hobbies in the top. Select the hobbies, which is there inside the box. Click on the box.
It's not getting selected.
No, tap on top inside the, yeah. Now select.
It's coming copy format.
Where is paste format? Tap on the screen. No, tap inside hobbies, beside hobbies inside the box. Don't click outside now. It will be easy if you have a mouse or a system, but that's okay. No. Now undo it. Do undo. Don't do anything. If you change it, it will be messy. Yeah. Otherwise, just copy whatever hobbies is there and paste it over there. Or you can make directly it as heading 2. Are you able to make it as heading 2?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Okay. Select the tools. Select the content first, hobby. Did everybody got
Here
the text?
again we have to write there in the box.
You can use any option that will make your work easier. What you can do is you can copy the hobbies, whatever is there down, and paste it over there.
Okay.
Or else you can select the hobbies which is there inside the text box and give it the format. Don't click outside of the box. No, not this. I don't want hobbies inside the box. When you refer the screenshot that I sent you, we are just making the heading now. Correct?
Is it okay now? It's only heading in the box.
Okay, I'll tell you. Can you click and select hobbies? The spelling hobbies
Which
that
is
is
in
there
the box?
inside. Yeah,
Which is in the box.
which is in the box.
Okay, select.
Okay. Now go and select the tools. The first option where you have tools. Yes, correct. Now,
Last 10 minutes, Samya.
yeah, Mani. Yeah. Thank you. No, just select don't come to drawing tools. Go to home. Yeah. Now scroll down. Go to heading formats and give it as heading 2. Done.
You have given.
Okay. Now everybody, is it clear like how we will do or give the content inside the box, text box, the heading? See,
Yes, ma'am.
whatever, yeah. So whatever we have, we can apply the same principles to wherever the content is there. But we should just get that idea. And we will get that idea mainly when we know the different features that are available. And I'm not saying what feature or what path I have mentioned now is correct. You can use whatever is simpler and easier for you in less time. That is why we have many features. Okay. So I'm not saying use the text box also, but this is also one of the way. Suppose if someone comes and asks you, I want your resume in the format of what is there, what I have shared in the group now. In WhatsApp group, I have shared one format, right? So then this is the way that you do. Now what we are making is a simpler version, first to get acquainted with different features. Is everybody in line with what I mentioned now?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it not clear?
Yes.
We'll try,
Yeah,
ma'am.
clear.
Yeah, we'll try.
No one tried now?
No,
Inserting
I
a
didn't
text
try.
box.
I didn't try, ma'am. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm listening to this later. I'll do it, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. And okay, who else tried inserting a text box here?
Ma'am, I tried, ma'am.
Vaishnavi?
Share.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it right? Okay, very good. Did it come up like this or how is it? Do you have any questions
Same,
while
ma'am.
doing that?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, other thing what I want is, you have to make a box, one rectangular box. See, usually when we see in the forms, they will ask us to paste a photo, right? Paste your photo here. We get a text box, right? In some application forms. Okay. Now I want you guys to make one text box towards the right of the screen. You can delete this hobbies. Is it Lavanya who's sharing or Gayatri? I get confused.
It's Vaishnavi, ma'am.
Who's sharing the screen now?
Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi. Okay, Vaishnavi. Okay. Now, you guys understood what I said. We usually get a box to paste a photo. Paste your photo here, they'll say, inside some application forms. Okay. Whoever, did anyone understand what I'm talking about?
Yes, ma'am. In the right side, top corner,
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I want you guys to make that box first and keep it. We'll format everything tomorrow by adding your personal details. Okay, just add a box. If you want, I will share the screenshot, how it has to be like.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, please share the screenshot.
Okay, I will just share. Yeah, I'm sharing it. I'm just taking the screenshot. I have shared the screenshot. Mostly by tomorrow, we will be completing our resume. Mostly, if you guys put all the other details. I have shared in the group, you can check. So that one part, making that square boxes can be taken as homework. Okay, and the other one, what homework I am giving you is whatever content we have written today. Okay, like hobbies heading, achievements heading, declarations heading, the same one, keep all the content, yesterday's and today's content, in another document. Okay, we are preparing two types of resume. One resume is a type with heading 2 and all whatever we are discussing in the class now. The other format is the first screenshot that I shared today. So I want you all guys to prepare the text box as heading with the same content. Is it okay? You guys got it? What my expectation is out of the second resume? Hello?
No, ma'am, I don't understand.
Okay, so we are making in all, we will be making two resumes. Okay, two resumes or two biodatas. Okay, with the same content. The content will be the same, but the style, how headings look and all will be different in resume 1 and resume 2, or biodata 1 or biodata 2. Okay, the first one will have a format of what we are discussing, what I am making you do the practical session every day, like yesterday and today. The second one, the second style of biodata will be like the WhatsApp first screenshot I shared today in the class, in the group. Is it clear? Or
Yeah,
no?
ma'am, it's clear.
Is it clear for everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Vaishnavi, can you repeat what I told before the call gets disconnected?
Ma'am?
Can you repeat what I just mentioned before the call gets disconnected?
Ma'am, two homework, ma'am.
What is the homework?
Yesterday we discussed about all strengths and merits. That is resume 1. And today we discussed focused areas, hobbies. That is resume 2, ma'am.
No. Okay. No, that is what not I mentioned. See, whatever we have discussed, whatever I told yesterday and today will be part of resume 1 and resume 2. Okay. But the style, but to be frank, the resume 1 dress and the resume 2 dress will be different. The way it looks, the colorfulness or whatever the extra features we add to the resume 1 and resume 2 is different. Okay. The content is same. We will make the resume in two different styles. Okay, the content will be same. So style 1 and style 2. The second style or the format will be as the format that I shared in the WhatsApp today. So the homework for you is you have to try to get your resume to that style. Use the same headings what we discussed yesterday and today. Okay. Now is it clear for everyone? The call gets disconnected.
Yeah, ma'am, it's clear.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
have to send in the WhatsApp too?
No, don't send anything. You can share when I ask you to share. Just do everything, make it a very good refined copy, and then we will share. Okay, I'll tell you when to share.
Okay. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay then. Bye all. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot for your time.
Thank you, ma'am.
No problems.
Bye.
Yeah.
Nice day.